Stop scrolling. What if I told you that right now, you can make money using AI without being a tech genius? Yup, whether you're a student, freelancer, or just bored at home, these AI methods can start earning you income this week. Hey everyone, welcome back to Toolverse, your one-stop place to learn AI tools and how to use them for profit. Hit that like button and let's dive in. Number 1. Create and sell digital products. AI can design ebooks, templates, social media posts, and even online courses. Use ChatGPT for writing, Canva Magic Studio for graphics, and Midjourney or DALL-E for unique artwork. You can sell these on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. People are paying $10, $50 for a single digital download, and once created, it keeps selling forever. Pro tip: combine text and visuals with AI, so your products really stand out. Number 2. AI content creation for clients. Businesses need content, blogs, videos, ads, captions, but they don't have time. That's where you step in. Use ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory, or Runway for video creation, and Eleven Labs for realistic voiceovers. Offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork and start charging per project or per month. Pro tips: offer a complete package, script plus video plus voiceover, so you can charge more. Number 3. AI-powered social media automation. Social media managers are in demand. AI can schedule posts, write captions, and even turn long videos into viral clips. Tools like OpusClip can transform one YouTube video into 10 TikToks in minutes. Offer this as a monthly service for $100, $500 per client. Pro tip: target small businesses. They need social media but don't have big budgets for agencies. Number 4. Build and sell AI chatbots. With platforms like ManyHat, Tidio, or BotPress, you can build chatbots for websites and Instagram DMs. Businesses use them to answer customer questions 24/7, capture leads, and boost sales. You can sell chatbot setup as a one-time service or a monthly subscription. Pro tip: offer a free demo to show the value before asking for payment. Number 5. AI affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools and get paid commissions for every sign-up. Make review videos, tutorials, or blog posts. For example, if you recommend an AI tool that costs $30 a month and you get 100 people to sign up, that's $3,000 a month passive income. Pro tip: create comparison videos. These rank better in search results. Conclusion: the AI gold rush has just started. You don't need to code, you just need creativity and consistency. Start with one method, master it, and then scale up. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you want step-by-step tutorials on these AI tools, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video, where I'll show you exactly how to set up your first AI income stream in under an hour.